I ordered Kadahi Paneer a decade ago in a dhaba and got addicted to the unique flavor. Kadahi Paneer had never tasted or smelled so yum ever before. Hello friends, Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to her Healthy Recipes channel. Today I bring to you the same flavor and taste that had got me hooked for over a decade. I have tried to recreate the same flavor profile with multiple experiments at home. Finally, I succeeded one day. Thereafter, Kadahi Paneer at my home remains a star attraction. So let's get started with this recipe and see what makes it so unique. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please do, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications to healthy recipes. To begin with our Kadahi Paneer recipe made easy for beginners, you will need 1 teaspoon of oil, heat it, and then we'll be roasting cashews. 1/4 cup of cashews along with tomatoes. The idea is just to roast them for 2 or 3 minutes. You can add chili as well. I have added red chili also. Roast for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. And since I'm using a steel kadahi or pan, it tends to burn really quickly, so I am following this technique. Now remove and then add 1 teaspoon of oil and let us roast onions and capsicum, and we don't need to cook them longer. Next we need half teaspoon of jeera and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, kasuri methi and 1 to 2 bay leaves. I did not add any oil at this point. Then add chopped onion along with a small piece of butter. Add ginger garlic paste along with roasted cashews and tomatoes. Let us cook this until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes, and keep it on a low flame. Add little water once the aroma of the roasted vegetables is apparent. Grind it to paste. Remove the bay leaf and then grind everything to paste. And next we will be cooking this paste, and this is the cooked paste, so we will not be adding any extra oil now. Just cook the paste. If you want, you may add, but I did not. I tend to avoid too much of fat in my recipes. Cook on a low flame. Add kasuri methi, roasted kasuri methi. I always keep roasted kasuri methi at home. You can sun dry kasuri methi and then keep it in an airtight container. It will be perfect for use. Add salt, red chili powder, coriander powder along with little amount of water. Cook on a low flame. Continue to cook. And at this stage, we will be adding my 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and this is the twist. You will be surprised to see what flavor it brings out in your Kadahi Paneer. Add roasted onion and capsicum along with homemade paneer cubes. I don't get capsicum easily in this village of Orissa. It's always a struggle to get my hands on capsicum and many other vegetables that I often find in North India, but you will find many vegetables here that we don't get easily in North India. Cook for 2 to 4 minutes and our aromatic flavorful Kadahi Paneer recipe is ready to be relished. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy this homemade Kadahi Paneer. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.